I'm sweating.
Are y'all gonna make snacks next?
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3.
Today's Vlogmas, Hannah and Marlow, the pros, are going to make us a Christmas cocktail.
Yay.
And
What's
I'm
it
just
called?
here to watch.
It's called Pine Tree Cocktail.
Not really. It's got an X-rated name, so and Marlow renamed it.
I just didn't like it. It wasn't
Okay.
even a good X-rated name.
It wasn't.
Okay.
Because who wants that?
I don't want that.
Me neither.
All right. So
I got bartenders.
for this drink, we're gonna use cold cranberry juice. It's cold because it's wearing a scarf. What's that?
Triple sec.
Triple sec. Peach schnapps. Pineapple juice. And raspberry vodka.
Yee.
Okay.
Now, is this what the recipe actually calls for, or are you modifying?
The only thing that's different is the raspberry vodka because we didn't have regular.
Are you sure we don't have regular? Did y'all look?
I looked in the cabinet. You got me rummaging through it. Oh, and we decided to use, instead of orange juice, triple sec because it wasn't alcoholic enough.
And also we added the peach schnapps because
So in other words, this is not the recipe, nor is it whatever Marlow said. This is just...
This is what
Hannah
I said
and
because
Marlow.
I came up with the name.
that's true.
Okay.
That's true.
This is Pine Tree Cocktail.
Yeah, I'm a little concerned. That's a lot of different juices.
That's gonna be great.
Let's do it.
So,
Here we go.
8 ounces of raspberry vodka. Are you on the outside? Okay, yeah. Oh my god. This looks crazy.
It smells so good.
I smell it.
Yeah, smell it. It smells good.
It smells good from afar anyway.
From afar?
Yeah, I think it smells good. Ready?
Yeah. Pour, 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 pour. Yeah. Okay, 4 ounces of this pineapple juice.
Did you shake it?
No.
Should you? There's a lot of sediment in the bottom.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Ho, ho. Okay. I did now. Lot of sediment.
Oh, 4
Let's see.
ounces.
Yeah. Right there.
No? No?
Okay. 4 ounces of peach schnapps. Actually, I'm thinking 2.
Okay.
2 ounces of peach schnapps.
The 2 ounce thing isn't even on there.
I'm gonna do it to there.
Okay.
Is that good?
Does this go over ice or anything?
It should. I
It
want
should, because we don't.
The
have
peach is
anything
really
chilled.
strong.
Yeah, I can. It's loud. Okay. 4 ounces of triple sec, which we're subbing because the orange juice. Yeah, I got it all over my hand. I'm gonna smell like peaches the rest of the day.
Is that what you smelled like before?
You guys have been so mean to me today. Is that enough?
No! Okay.
That
Oh,
looks
that's
like.
too much.
I know. I
It's
should
fine.
have stopped
It's all
before.
fine. It's all fine.
Okay.
We might have to add more.
Woo!
Oh,
Yeah.
we might
Now,
have to
it's
add
supposed to
more
be 4
juices.
ounces of this.
I'm gonna go get some glasses
So you can see?
Oops.
to drink out of.
Oh. When she said she was going to get glasses, I thought she meant
I
glasses.
have a glass in there if you want to grab it so you don't have to dirty another one.
Dirty another one so they look cute.
Okay, well, if you've got cute ones, by all means, dirty them up. Okay, it's about 4, yeah?
That's about 8.
Shoot.
That's okay because there's so much alcohol in here. Do you want me-
Yeah.
Okay.
I was wondering what it would do to the color. I'm gonna get some ice.
You get that ice.
It didn't do much. I mean, it didn't do anything bad to the color. I thought it would make it ugly.
Oh, we're not gonna pour it over ice.
We can.
I would like to also pour it over ice. I think.
Yeah. I just thought this would make it look better.
Shall I get some?
Oh, we need to cut up the orange and put the oranges in there. Will you get me a knife? I need a knife! Okay. I want a different one. Like one that's like big and sharp. Yeah.
Wait! Don't you want a plate so juice doesn't go over the table?
Yeah, don't you?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, buddy. Is this behind the scenes? Okay.
Or in the scenes.
Okay. We're in the scenes.
Ooh, sorry, so.
I want 3, please. If you can spare it.
These are still not frozen.
I might be bad at this,
Or you might need a cutting board.
or this is a bad knife. It's not cut through the peel very well. That is good. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's such a good slice. Oh, look at that side. Look at it. I'm just gonna throw it in there and fix it with a glove. Sorry. I washed my hands. I did. I washed them.
Marlow, the professional bartender.
That's yours. All right. Are we ready?
Ready.
All right.
Make sure you pour in the maple.
I'm getting more in my cups. I don't care. Oops.
I think it's a real pretty color.
Me too. It's even prettier in these glasses. All right. Everybody ready?
Campbell, you gonna come try it with us?
Sure.
You don't have to. Nobody's forcing you.
But I did make you a garnish. It is pink though. I don't know how you feel about that.
Which one's yours?
I don't this one's and I was like, I don't need a garnish. And then she went,
Look, everybody else is having one. I want one.
thank you. Okay, cheers everybody. I couldn't have been executed worse.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's on my nose.
Oh my. That's really strong.
Is it?
It was to me.
Yeah.
That's the last time I give you garnish.
It doesn't taste that strong to me.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's plenty
It's
strong.
kind of weak.
It's not. Mm-mm. Well,
I
don't try mine.
it's got plenty of alcohol, but it doesn't have a strong citrus flavor or cranberry flavor or anything. You could add more cranberry juice to give it a little more of a.
Did yours not burn? I mean, did mine not burn you?
No. Did you taste mine?
Yeah. Yours didn't taste as strong as mine.
I think it needs to be
Did we
mixed
stir
a
it?
little more. If you mix it, you'll get a stronger taste, I think.
Campbell the Pro.
Am I right or am I wrong?
It's good.
Little way. Did that help any?
Marlow
Yeah,
didn't
mine's
like
strong
it.
enough.
I
I like
think it's
it.
fine.
I like it.
It's just so much stronger than I thought. I'll wait for my ice to melt a little bit.
I like it.
I like it a lot. It could be a little like, you know what would be good in it?
What?
Cherry juice.
That's right.
We need to
I
buy
don't-
some.
Mmm.
to
Or
have on
like
hand.
Sprite or ginger ale would be good
Oh yeah,
too.
Sprite would be good.
Mhm. Okay. Ah! Well, great.
Okay. Cheers. Now remind us again what you named this concoction. Pine tree.
Pine tree?
Pine tree cocktail.
Good
Okay.
job, Marlow.
Wine.
I give it a 6
Because
out
it
of
was
10.
called Pine Orgy
Oh,
cocktail, and I was like, no, absolutely not. I don't know why it was called that.
pineapple.
Hmm.
I give it a 6 out of 10.
A 6 out of 10.
Yeah. I mean, it's
I'd give
okay.
it more than that. I'd give it a 7.
I'd give it a
8.
6.2.
I'm gonna say 7.
I mean, it's fine. It just doesn't. It just
Doesn't slap.
doesn't flop. It flops, one might say.
Oh.
It doesn't flop.
It doesn't flop, but
Hey.
it certainly doesn't slap.
It's no Grinch. That
Sure.
flopped.
This is better than the Grinch.
Oh, the Grinch.
Hannah's doing the
Grinch is horrible.
It flopped
elite.
real
I was
hard.
pointing
The
at
elite.
Marlow.
Watch out.
You're
My
judgy.
eye is
Tacky.
right there. Want some more?
Not yet. I better wait.
I think it could use more orange.
Like orange juice.
Why don't you get your orange out and kind of squish it?
Why don't you squish your orange? Then you get some more.
Squish it. Squish it real good. You get it?
I got it. Did you get it?
I got
She
it.
didn't think it was funny. It's not the day
I have
for
no
that.
sense of humor.
I'm sweating. I don't want to put this on again.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
You guys are so mean.
Are y'all gonna make snacks next?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you want to
If
do
you'll move
want
so we
my
can finish
arms?
our video and not
Oh.
talk about what's next.
I don't know. Hannah's scary.
What a good catch.
Thank
And
you.
it's a
I've got cat-like
scary one.
reflexes.
Whoa, really? Come here.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
All right.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you tomorrow.